Hey guys, hello and welcome to this video where I'm going to do a live withdrawal and a little update about baked beans and a thank you. And I'll start with the thank you. First of all, everybody, I would like to thank you so much for being loyal followers of my YouTube channel and my content. And I gotta tell you, since I've been sharing baked beans, my viewership has gone up. My subscribership has gone up and my earnings have gone up. Honestly, guys, I could not kickstart my retirement off in a better way than the way I have with baked beans. It is on fire. It just keeps growing and growing and growing. And I don't know what else to say except for what a phenomenal platform. And if you don't know what the Baked Beans Miner is about yet, go back and check some of my videos. Start with the first one where I do a review, and then try to watch all of the videos because I do answer a lot of your questions in all of my videos. But most of all, I just want to say thank you, and thank you to everybody who has used my referral link to also join Baked Beans, and hopefully it's changing your life as well. Now, I know not everybody can afford to contribute a lot in the baked beans, but even if you just start off really small, I know that in some countries, if you can only afford to contribute 0.01 BNB and rebake 6 days and eat 1 day, I know that that can make a difference for you. If that's what you have to do to get started, then that's perfect. Okay? Don't compare your results with my results or anybody else on YouTube who is sharing their videos with you, because I'm a YouTuber. You know, I haven't even been doing this a really long time, and you know, my style isn't the same as everybody else's, but if it suits you, it suits you, and if it doesn't, it doesn't, and that's okay with me. But just know you don't have to have a YouTube channel to share the Baked Beans project with people, okay? I think a lot of people are out there who have friends who are a little bit into crypto, or they've already got a crypto wallet and they've maybe purchased BNB, or they know about BNB. Share this with them. Show them my videos. Show them other people's videos. Just tell them what a cool and awesome platform it is. The more people we have in Baked Beans, the larger the community gets, the longer it's going to last. It's already been around, what are we at? I think today's the 6th, so I think this is their 6-month birthday. It's actually their 150-day birthday, and they're doing a celebration online. And if you would like to join the call, I'll show you how after I do my withdrawal. So let me reveal my Baked Beans platform to you right away. Let me make sure I've covered everything I wanted to. Yeah, so I'm going to just go ahead and show you what's in my rewards right now. And you guys, this is day 7. I have rebaked for 6 days, and now this is day 7 where I'm going to eat my beans, and I'll start rebaking. Actually, I'll probably start rebaking today again, but I will count tomorrow as the first day of my next 6-to-1 strategy days. Okay, so drum roll please. Look at my rewards. I woke up this morning, and I woke up really early this morning, and I had 3 BNB in there, and then I was like, holy cow, I could hardly go back to sleep. I am a night owl, so I needed to go back to sleep, and I just could hardly go back to sleep. So I started listening to some of the recordings inside of the Telegram group, and it just kind of even got me more excited. But I finally fell back to sleep. And when I woke up, I was at 4 BNB. So guys, this is what can happen when you share your link. So I am well beyond getting my ROI, my return on investment. I started with 0.1 BNB. It cost me about $44 to get started in the platform, and I was just going to try it. And then when I saw what it was doing, I was like, how can I not share this with people? So I've been sharing it, and this is where I'm at. So that's it. That's where I'm at. So I'm going to do I'm going to eat beans, which means I'm going to withdraw. It's amazing that this number fell on my withdrawal day. I did have a day a few days ago. I rebaked beans on a day when I rebaked 1.37 BNB, and then I did another rebake that same day, which was 0.289. So my total that day of rebaking was 1.6 BNB, and I was, boy oh boy, was I ever tempted to withdraw. But I realized that by rebaking, it's increasing my amount of beans, which in turn will increase my rewards percentage. So I rebaked, I've kept them in there. Then I rebaked again yesterday, and I didn't rebake very much yesterday. I only rebaked one time. I just got really busy. I had a work party to go to, and came home late, and I just let it go, and voila, this is what happened. So let me go ahead and eat my beans. I'll show you how this works. I'm going to click on eat beans, and hopefully 0.017 BNB in my wallet is enough to cover the gas fees. It should be. Gas fees are really, really low on the Binance Smart Chain. So it should connect to my wallet in a second. Oh, and check out the amount of the contract. When I did last night's video, it was at 8,800 BNB. Now it's at 9,500. We're approaching 10,000 BNB in the contract. Guys, I'm just going to pause the video for a second. This seems to happen almost every time I record live. So I'll just pause the video, and I'll come right back as soon as oh, there it is. Oh, there it is. So when you click these buttons, it makes a call to your Metamask wallet through the blockchain. So here it has connected to my wallet. Tells me the estimated gas fee is 0.000512 BNB. And literally, guys, I think that's like 21 or 22 cents. So I just scroll down here and click the confirm button. And you can see the bar is still moving up here. I tell you that in every video. So it's still doing its thing. Note my beans are at 55,588,203. And look at that, 4.091 BNB is now in my wallet. Now when I withdrew my beans, a 3% developer fee or tax was deducted before it hit my wallet. So it now it shows my rewards that I have 0 BNB in there. So guys, that's how it works. And I will just pull up my wallet one more time, and there you see it in my wallet. So they're directly connected, and it showed the transaction I just made was called selling eggs, sell eggs. If I click on this, it will show me my gas fees. In fact, my gas fees were less, they were half of the estimated gas fees that I just told you about. So, woohoo, guys. I can honestly say that's the most money I've ever made in a day. And now I'm going to rebake later today as my rewards accumulate. Remember, you have to have at least 0.01 BNB in your rewards to be able to rebake. And I'm going to rebake every day until next Tuesday. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7th day will be on a Tuesday. So every Tuesday I will eat some beans. So because I ate some beans, my rewards might accumulate a little bit slower than they have, but it depends too if, you know, anybody joins or whatever. So let me tell you also, I wanted to show you something really important. Be aware of fake sites out there, guys. Somebody posted this in the Telegram group a few days ago. If you look closely here, somebody has posted an ad here. Notice the description says bakedbeans.io, but the actual website address is www.bakedbeans.app. That is not the real Baked Beans address, you guys. Like, unless there's something I'm missing or I don't understand, but it was confirmed inside the Telegram group that this address is not the real Baked Beans. The real Baked Beans wallet address is bakedbeans.io, and the referral link that anybody shares with you is going to start in the referral link is going to start in https://bakedbeans.io referral equals, and then there'll be a wallet address. Okay, that is what a real referral link is going to look like. Don't fall for anything else. Okay, and if you get somebody messaging you inside of Telegram telling you to join any Telegram group that is not called Baked Beans Miner Official with these two little lines in there, that's not the real group. Okay, and they also go over that in the Telegram group. So make sure you've joined the Telegram group, please, because and watch my last video because I show you how to navigate the Telegram group. This afternoon there is an AMA. It's a 150-day-old party and 10K BNB TVL with question marks, because by the time of the call, it's possible that we will reach 10K in TVL, 10K BNB and TVL, which is total value locked. And remember, your initial investment is locked into the contract, and you earn it back by rebaking your beans over time. You will get a return on your investment by rebaking your beans and eating your beans once in a while. Okay, so remember that your deposit is a non-refundable deposit. Basically, it's locked into the contract, but you will get it back in time. Just follow the strategies and you'll get it back. So there was that, and what else? Fake sites, AML. So you can get on the AMA call by clicking at the top here. It says that the call starts in 3.5 hours. So guys, I wanted to show you this. I currently have 957 subscribers, and after I get 43 more subscribers, I'm going to be able to go live on YouTube. And I'm super excited about that for several reasons. One of them being this. I'm going to go back to my channel. I'll go back here, and you'll see up here where it says 5 over top of the bell. This is where I get notifications of when people have asked me questions about, oh wow. So this is where people ask me questions and I respond to your questions. This is how I get notified. I do try to respond to your questions right away. And you know what? Huge shout out to Ubrog Star. Oh my God. So she had several questions to ask me this morning, and I responded as soon as possible. And Ubrog, I really want to read this out loud. Holy cow. She says, I guess this is a little bit of a testimonial, you guys, and it really, really makes me know that my efforts are worthwhile. And you guys, you have no idea how hard I've worked to get to this point. And so I'm so happy and kind of proud that that I've been able to help people the way that I have so far. So she says, hey everyone, and I've not read this. This is the first time I'm seeing it. So, hey everyone, I just wanted to let you know that Internet Nomad is truly awesome. I had some important questions for her and she answered them. Those questions are very important to understanding the baked beans process and may help you as well if you are new to this like me. It's under the video she has titled Baked Beans Update Week 2 Day 5 Rebake Number 1 Insane Rewards. Below is the comment I left on her page and wanted to just share it with everyone because there are so many investments out there and sometimes you don't get a true understanding, and she truly helped. Even though I'm doing my own research, I'm thankful she helped make it as direct as possible. I'm leaving this under this video because I have shared this one with others because it has a good breakdown of baked beans. Oh, so here she's written her comment. She says, thanks so much for those replies. You are the kind of person that is needed when it comes to helping people. You didn't sugarcoat anything, and I asked you and you didn't ignore one question, because I had 4 questions. She says, I had 4 questions and they were really important to my understanding. I wish you so much success in this. Gotta go, because you got more videos. So thank you so much, Ubrog Star. I'm so grateful to know that the answers to your questions were helpful, and thank you so much for your lovely testimonial. Really, I don't know what else to say, you guys. I feel like I just won an Academy Award. This has truly been a blessing. Baked Beans has truly been a blessing for me, and I know it is for a lot of other people as well. I've watched videos from other YouTubers who it has really made a difference in their lives as well. And shout out to them, because I wouldn't have known about Baked Beans without them. Especially one in particular whose group I am in. So if you're watching, Manny D, thank you very much for sharing this wonderful opportunity with us. Okay, I will let you go at that, because well, you know, I'm retired now. I have to do things that don't involve work. It's called enjoying life, like having lunch with my mom. So I will talk to you guys all in the next video. So thanks again, everyone. I want to remind you to please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. Soon I'll be making something different. But right now I'm just so loving Baked Beans. I cannot stay away from sharing with you. So I'll see you in the next video. Have an awesome day, everybody, and go bake some beans.